Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by making sure your MacBook Air M4 runs the latest Mac OS and has enough charge. This prevents interruptions. Once done, open System Settings, then Touch ID and Password, and select Add Fingerprint. Place your finger on the top right /Touch ID sensor and lift only when prompted. You'll feel short haptics and see progress rings. Changing angle slightly captures edges. Stay patient. This first phase trains the sensor to learn both the pad and surrounding skin for reliable future matches. Now refine the enrollment by following the prompts until the progress completes. Make small adjustments. Move the finger toward the edges, change tilt, and touch the sensor with varying parts of the pad so the system maps the whole impression. Once one fingerprint is done, add another finger or a secondary placement to improve reliability when your posture changes. Make sure to name entries if you want clarity, and enable options like unlocking, Apple Pay, and password autofill to maximize Touch ID utility. Finish by testing. Lock your Mac and unlock it with Touch ID multiple times and try Apple Pay or autofill. If readings are inconsistent, clean the sensor and your finger, then remove and re-enroll the fingerprint with deliberate variations. Make sure to reboot and confirm Mac OS updates if problems persist. If nothing helps, reset relevant system controllers and try again. Finally, contact Apple support. These steps ensure reliable authentication and explain why re-enrolling or updates fix most recognition failures.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.